The Polk Audio DB652 speakers are often marketed as a durable, marine-rated upgrade for cars, boats, and motorcycles. But before you make a decision, it's important to understand the real-world problems users often encounter. Today on Auto and Moto, we're exposing the shocking issues with the Polk DB652 that could leave you disappointed. First, the sound quality isn't as premium as advertised. While Polk promises dynamic balance technology for clean sound, real-world performance shows that highs can be harsh, mids are thin, and the bass is noticeably weak without a dedicated subwoofer. If you're expecting a full, rich sound upgrade from stock speakers alone, the DB652 may fall short. Second, they are extremely power-dependent. To get anything close to their rated performance, you'll need a strong aftermarket amplifier. Running them directly off a standard head unit often results in flat, underwhelming sound that doesn't justify the price, a serious letdown for casual installers. Third, durability issues have surfaced despite marine certification. While the DB652 is advertised as weather and water-resistant, many users report problems with corrosion, cone fatigue, and even blown tweeters after extended exposure to harsh environments. In marine or outdoor vehicle setups, this can turn into a costly and frustrating repair cycle. Fourth, installation can be more difficult than expected. The oversized mounting depth and large basket design create fitment issues in many factory speaker locations. Modifications like spacer rings, trimming, or even custom brackets are often necessary, adding unexpected time and hassle to the install. Fifth, build consistency is questionable. Some batches of the DB652 have shown significant quality control problems, from misaligned tweeters to premature voice coil failures. What should be a long-lasting investment sometimes turns into a short-lived replacement project. Sixth, price-to-performance ratio is no longer strong. Competing models from brands like Infinity, JBL, and Focal now offer better sound quality, easier installation, and stronger durability, often at the same or even slightly lower price point. In conclusion, while the Polk Audio DB652 can perform decently in ideal conditions, serious compromises in sound quality, power dependency, durability, and installation flexibility make them a risky upgrade for many users. Know what you're really getting before you buy.